Hello everyone, this is Grade 1, Module 5, Lesson 11 homework. The directions state, circle the correct clock. So the first one says, half past 2 o'clock. And when I see half past, I know that halfway around the clock is right here. The minute hand should be pointing at the 6. And when I'm looking at the 2, I know that the hour hand is going to be pointing past the 2, and that's what this statement says, half past 2. So I'm looking for the minute hand to be at the 6, and I see all of them. These two have the minute hand at the 6. This one doesn't, so I don't have to look at this one. And then I'm looking for it to be halfway past 2, so it's got to be at 2 or past it. This one isn't quite to 2 yet. This one is just past the 2. So it's going to be this one. When I look at number 2, I see it says half past 10 o'clock. So I'm looking for the minute hand to be halfway around and the hour hand to be past 10 o'clock. And again, halfway around, half past, it's going to be, the minute hand will be at the 6. And then the hour hand will be just past 10 o'clock. So when I look here, I see that the minute hands are all pointing at the halfway point. So this is going to make it a little bit more challenging, but I'm looking for the hour hand to be just past 10 o'clock. If I look here, I see that this hour hand is past 10 o'clock and not quite to 11. This one is past 11, and this one is past 12. I'm looking for past 10. So it's going to be this one. For 3, I'm looking for 6 o'clock. Exactly 6 o'clock, meaning when I know it's exactly an hour, like 6 o'clock or 7 o'clock, the minute hand is going to be pointing to the 12. And the hour hand will be pointing to the number. So if we look at our first clock, the minute hand is pointing at 12. And the hour hand is pointing at 6. And that's going to be correct. For the other ones, we see that this is showing half past the number because it's halfway around. And the same thing with C, it's showing half past. It's not showing 6 o'clock, it's showing half past 6. C is. This one is showing, B is showing half past 5. And the last one, half past 8 o'clock. We know that it's got the minute hand has to be pointing halfway, so the minute hand has to be at the 6, and the hour hand has to be just past 8. So let's take a look at page 2. And I'll do 2 of these. And it says, write the time shown on each clock and to tell about Lee's day. So this first one says, Lee wakes up at. And I see that the hour hand is just past the 6, but not to the 7. So I know it's going to be 6 something. And then my minute hand is pointing straight down at the 6, meaning it's half past, which means 30. Because halfway around the clock is 30 minutes. So my hour hand is telling me the hour, the shorter one is the hour hand, and my longer one is telling me the number of minutes. Let's take a look at the next one down, 7. He has math at, and I'm looking first at my hour hand, and I see it's between 10 and 11. So it has to be 10 something because it's just past 10 o'clock, but it's not quite to 11, so it's 10 something. And my minute hand is halfway around the clock, pointing at the 6, so it's half past 10. And I know that halfway around the clock, or half past 10, is going to be 30, so 10:30. So that's what you'll be doing for the rest of these problems on for your homework. Thanks for watching. Hope this helps, and good luck on your homework.